Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, tonight we are looking at this question. It's a grade 8 natural science question. The question says that in the feeding relationship, organisms are categorized in accordance to their ability to produce their own food. Answer the questions that follow. Okay, the first question says, what term is used to describe organisms which manufacture their own food? Yes, during this categorization, we have organisms which have the ability to manufacture their own food from inorganic raw materials. And we have another category of organisms which cannot manufacture their own food. Now, of the category of organisms which can manufacture their own food, the best member there are plants. There are some aquatic organisms which you call phytoplanktons, which can also manufacture food. Okay, plants have the green matter, which traps light, and that light is used as the energy to manufacture food. Okay, but that's not the answer. The answer is that what term do we use to describe them? The term is producers. Plants are producers because they make food. Another term we can use for producers is autotrophs. Plants are autotrophic in nature. Let's put that one down. Then comes another question. It says, write the term given to organisms which cannot manufacture their own food. Okay. What term is given to these organisms? The term is consumers. So there we are. We have to remember that consumers, they are surviving on food which is manufactured by plants. These categories normally are the animals. All the animals, they cannot manufacture their own food from inorganic raw materials. The inorganic raw materials we talk about is carbon dioxide and water. Plants is magical. It can combine carbon dioxide and water and forms glucose. Animals cannot. So how do animals survive? By feeding on plants. And because animals are consuming the plants, so they are called consumers. Animals lack that ability to do that. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, consider the list of organisms below. Lion, cow, tree, zebra, algae, rabbit. Classify each as either consumers or producers. Is that okay? Okay, let's look at here. What do we start with? Lion. Lion, is it a consumer or producer? It is a consumer. It doesn't manufacture its own food. Next is cow. What is it? It is consumer. Next is tree. Tree, it is a producer. Next is zebra. It is a consumer. Next is algae. Algae are plant-like and they can manufacture their own food. So they are producers. Then lastly is rabbit. And rabbit is a consumer. So there we are. You have to remember here that consumers are also called heterotrophs. So you can use consumer or heterotrophs interchangeably. So with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. We are simply the best. So we would hope that you are going to stay with us. Bye-bye.